Biosecurity for next generation. In this session, we will talk about the biosecurity education for next generation life scientists. याद रखिए कि with the changing international context that has generation with the passage of time, there is increased interest in the biosecurity education. लेकिन अभी भी biosecurity related education से बहुत कम टर्म्स वाबस्ता हैं. Why is it so? सबसे बड़ी रीज़न ये है कि the information or the data related to biosecurity is still insufficient and irrelevant. Now, teaching may serve to unnerve students, but teachers are unfamiliar with the biosecurity issues, and thus they feel unqualified to teach this subject. Now here we have to consider the development promulgation as well as the development sustainability. For that we have to adopt biosecurity education not at a national level but also at an institutional level. For that there is a clear need of balance and proportionality. Now keep in mind that if we want to improve biosecurity education, हमें चाहिए कि biosecurity education को अपने curriculum का हिस्सा बनाएं, especially for teaching the life scientists, ताकि self-sustaining और self-promulgating का culture को बरकरार रखा जाए. इसके ज़रिए life scientist के अंदर एक responsibility build की जा सकती है. Now, the value of compulsory biosecurity education is according to the national requirement and it is according to the national circumstances. अगर हम biosecurity education पे आज जोर देते हैं तो हम अपने national legislations को बेहतर बना सकते हैं by providing significant and effective contribution in conjunction with national laws. अगर state इस बारे में सीरियस होती है कि बायोसिक्योरिटी एजुकेशन हमारे करिकुलम का हिस्सा बनना चाहिए, then they can highlight the scientific community security issues as well. इसके ज़रिए हम सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज को बेहतर बना सकते हैं. इसके अलावा प्रोजेक्ट्स की कोलैबोरेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. There must be collaboration between the biosecurity education and the related projects. हम नेशनल लेवल पे भी इन प्रोजेक्ट्स को अपनी कंट्री में ला सकते हैं as well as we can deal with these projects at an institutional level for our own interest. Now keep in mind that biosecurity education is not a silver bullet for assuring biosecurity. अगर हम biosecurity education को अपने करिकुलम का हिस्सा बना देते हैं तो हम इस बात की गारंटी नहीं दे सकते कि हम बायोसिक्योरिटी एट नेशनल लेवल और एट एन इंस्टीट्यूशनल लेवल उसको बेहतर या उसको इम्प्रूव या पूरी तरह कारमंद बना सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट silver bullet for ensuring the biosecurity because it is very hard to treat bioweapons. Yet it is an important component in the web of protection. जब भी हम प्रोटेक्शन के नेटवर्क की बात करते हैं तो कीप इन माइंड दैट वी कांट इग्नोर द बायोसिक्योरिटी एजुकेशन. बाय दिस वी कैन गिव ट्रेनिंग to the workers, to the public, and at a national or at an international level as well by organizing conferences, workshops, and seminars.